Today is Saturday, the 24th of April, I guess. My internet at the house has been out since Wednesday night, 2 in the morning, maybe Thursday morning, 2 a.m. AT&T was supposed to be here today between 8 and 12. And of course they weren't. Finally showed up at 2 o'clock. I was supposed to go into my real paying job today. I spent all day long waiting on AT&T. I said, well, I'll work on the Jeep while I'm waiting on them. This is called a bus bar. It's your negative. This is a positive bus bar. Go from the battery to the bus bar, and then all your other little feeds. Like this is the new winch. I'll get to that in a second. This is some existing feeds I had. Put on a new battery. The other one's about 5-6 years old. And then on your negative, go from the battery to the bus bar, from the bus bar to the engine block. That gets your ground. This is the new ground for the new winch. This is another something or other. I think it's the lights up here in the front, those aircraft lights. So anyway, the other winch was just trash. So picked up that Badland 12,000 pound and it bolted right up. This is a Smitty built bumper, had a Smitty built winch, and I'm pretty certain the Smitty built winch came from the same factory as the Harbor Freight Badland 12,000 pound winch. And my Smitty built had this type of hook. Looks like somebody had actually just taken off the safety clasp. Looks pretty stout. This is the other one that came with the Badland winch. They still got the safety catch. Yeah, it looks pretty stout too. I can't see a difference. I'll probably just keep what came with the winch and leave it on there. And corded remote. We tested it. I don't know. Works like a new one. These little bus bars, Amazon, they got all different kind of styles. Put your red on your hot cover. Put your black on your grounds. They just kind of go in there. Yeah, can't do it one-handed. Anyway, they go on there to cover all your studs. And got the battery set the way it's supposed to. It's anchored in place real good. And these little bus bars, hell, they ain't very expensive at all. And it beats jamming wires in against your battery posts. Cleans it up a lot. Better contact. All my terminal ends pretty much all corroded. My battery terminal ends were corroded. It was just a big old mess. But now it's not. Winch works perfect. I don't feel like reeling it back out again. Trust me, it works perfect. The old one, only thing I'm going to save on it is the cable. I'll unspool it, roll it up, and then toss the rest in the dumpster. I might save the ferro lead too. Ain't nothing wrong with it. But yeah, that's what I did all day. Finally got the internet back up. Ugh. Turned out good. I like. I'm kind of tired, so I'm going to rest and figure out tomorrow when it gets here. Thank you.